Subscribe and hit the bell icon and never miss another video.
Yay! I will finish.
Yeah.
Hi guys, this is Bala and welcome to yet another episode of The Hook Step. This episode is super special because I have a couple who has won many hearts across the nation with their amazing performances in Nach, Bala and it's none other than Shantanu and Nityaami.
Whoa!
Group hug. Thank you guys.
Thank
welcome
you.
to Hook Step. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you for having us.
But I need you guys to tell me which song we are going to be doing today.
Okay, Nityaami, go ahead and announce it.
I'm quite excited for the song. I really like the song. It's called Shine My Honey from the movie Bala.
Yay!
And it's really like fun, groovy songs.
Yeah.
That's what we're gonna aim to do, like a fun, groovy routine.
Chill.
Yeah, like a chill, fun one that you can have fun with whenever. So,
Yeah. So are you guys ready? Because I'm ready. I'm ready
Even
to
we are
go.
ready.
Yes.
We are ready.
Let's go.
Okay, guys, let's start with the routine. It's I just want, wave, and look. Punch in the air with both hands. Tap, tap, right in, left in, and breathe, and then again punch. So it's boom. Okay?
Okay.
Just try this bit on
Yes.
music because this bit is little tricky. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, just 2, 4.
you've just finished with your drag. So from here you're going up, down, and the other side up, down. Now it's like it's a groove. So it's very with the music. You're lifting your left leg up and you're just going up. Body is going over your shoulder. Up. So up. Again on the other side, up, groove, and now you're touching your leg. It's very make it your own step. Okay, so you finished your groove, your 1, 2, your fast groove, and you come step together. So you're going right leg first, right, left. Now go back to your right leg, right, left. That's all you're doing the legs. So right, left, okay? Hands are just doing in, out, feel. Again, make it your own thing. Okay? So let's try that much from here.
And now we go towards our diagonal, as in left side, stepping with our right foot. So we go 1 and back, left same thing and back. Okay, with this we do hand, so it will be 1, I'll just show it like this, 1 and 2, double. Okay, so it's 1, 2, double. And then inspired from Tarifa's hook step, it's 1. So basically when you do this step, 1, 2, 3, 4, you will have a motion in your body, especially in your hip. So you just use that motion and back, 2, step, and step. Now you keep your right leg, again you travel with your right leg, right foot forward towards left side, okay? And you step right and left, okay? Then you place your right hand on your pelvic, left hand on your right shoulder, and just feel your right hand, and at the same time come towards your right side. So you just jump to your left with your right foot. So it's right foot, left foot. So when you're jumping to your right side, you jump with your left foot. You jump with your to your left side, you jump with your right foot. Now what we'll do is just add hands to it. So it's this and it's this. And then this is like pretty much in step. So it's variation of that. So it's
Like
1,
the dance
2. Let's just try this bit on music.
Okay, so you've just done shoulder, shoulder, call me maybe, shoulder, shoulder, call me maybe. From here, you're taking your right leg and you're going step, step. We're going to do sweep and click. Then you're putting this same leg down, you're going step, step, sweep and click. Okay, so that's basically it, by the way,
That was
guys.
the last step, guys. That was the last step. Whoa.
But let's just take that from the shoulder again.
Okay, let's just try our music. Are you guys ready? Yes. We are. We'll do it on music.
So guys, we hope you had fun with this routine. If you really liked it, then please like, comment and subscribe to Miss Malini and have fun.